Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing. I haven't seen these cards either, so it's also an unboxing for me, of the Phoenix cards, Archetypes for Your Inner Light by Anne Vonjahr. I think that's how you might say that. Okay, so this is new for me. It's not even listed on the store at the moment, so as soon as I've done the video, then I will actually list it. It has the box here. Okay. Be reborn like the phoenix from the ashes. Oh, I like that. Archetypes are universal patterns and images that spring from the collective unconsciousness. Each archetype we carry within us is more than just a symbol. It represents our deepest desires and intentions, directs our energy, and determines our reactions. So we've got a coach and YouTuber, Anne, known through the world of beyond. I should put my better glasses on because I really can't read all this, but I'm sure you can press pause and read it. So there are 44 cards with their light and shadow sides, and how you can use the cards to better understand yourself and change your life. So this is a true self oracle deck. These decks are really good to work with when you're going through a change or a period. And well, gosh, we're all going through those all the time, aren't we? But sort of very comprehensive book. Quite thick. Inside we will obviously have the introduction to the book, why it was birthed, the journey into your inner world, and then you go into what the card, how to use the deck, about patterns, and we've got some spreads, and then the inner compass, and then we should have the cards. Yeah, so you've got the card, and then you have two pages of meaning. So lovely little book. So you've got everything. You do need the book. Let's pop that to one side a moment. These are the backs. Decent sized card. They feel lovely, actually. They're really, really, really flexible. You can see that from how I'm handling them. They're a really nice deck to use. At the end of the video, I'll just take one card for you and then read it so that we can have an understanding of what kind of cards they are, or more about their energy. Okay, so the wounded healer, the wise woman, visionary, almost, this is like a gold, isn't it? It's not gilded, but it's a very strong colour. The teacher. So all the archetypes that we are, all the facets of character and the different aspects of ourselves. The servant. I like this one for obvious reasons. The seeker. That has very hierophant vibes. We all have a tendency to sabotage things, don't we? The rescuer. Rebel. And there's our phoenix. I like these. We'll see how we work with them in a minute. Oh, how sweet. the heroine, healer, the financial advisor. They're in alphabetical, aren't they? I'm just realising that I'm going backwards through the alphabet as they're coming through. Ooh. The dryad, dragon, oof. The denier, delegate. Oh, what a wonderful, wonderful companion to have. The codependent, the artist, and finally we have the addict. So let's give these a little shuffle. Oh dear. Let's see what we've got. Just pull any card randomly for you. Then we've got the student. Okay, so what does the Phoenix card book have to say about the student? Of course, I've just realised I haven't got my... They're nice that they're alphabetical because then it just makes it easier to find it. Servant, storyteller, student. Right, I'm going to squint. The student card carries the wisdom that your learning journey began at birth and will not end in this lifetime. Your childhood and school experiences shape how you live this archetype. We all have feelings of frustration, anger, regret, guilt, disappointment, or sadness when we experience defeat. A deep-seated fear of making mistakes arises in us if we once felt shame over failures. This shadow side can block your unfolding and development. So the belief systems, isn't it, that we take with us? I mean, it's a really good card. Oh, I'm just having some interference then, sorry. They like the card then. Right, you can read it, can't you? I'm going to hold it here for you. You can press pause, and if they will stop messing with the light long enough for you to be able to read it. There we go. So this card asks you, in summary, this card asks you to rekindle your joy of learning and growing, and reminds you that the goal is to grow, not to prove to others that you are intelligent and lovable. You already are. Wonderful. And then the message is all learners have great potential to become experts in a field. Never be afraid to be wrong or embarrass yourself. God, I do that all the time. We're all students in this life, and there is always something to learn. Phoenix experience. Don't just praise yourself for your successes. Praise yourself for your efforts, your actions, and your willingness to take on new challenges. In this way, you will motivate yourself and realize that you will always have more confidence in yourself. The light side of it is development, courage, independent thinking, curiosity, and the shadow side of it is fear of defeat. I'm assuming that oh sorry, I'll read that all. Shame, fear of not meeting expectations. My number one problem. Okay, so then obviously there's a reading here where you, or a card reading where you get to do your shadow versus your other side. So that's why we have both of them, I'm guessing, in the card deck. So what do you think? I like them. I love the artwork, the quality of the cards. I love the size. Don't be surprised to see these guys coming out in the... I couldn't really use them for that. They're very, very personal, aren't they? So I may consider using them in the readings next month. We shall see. Okay, so they are rather the Phoenix cards. Just shortly be popped on the website. Lovely. Thanks very much for your time. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Bye-bye.